So today I'm going to show you how to sell some of your Bitcoin on your Coinbase account. Now we're actually going to log here onto our app in real time so you can follow along step by step. Now we're actually here on the home page of our Coinbase account, and you can actually see that by looking on the bottom left hand side. This is what loads up when we load up onto our iOS account. And what we actually want to do is go right over here where you see buy and sell. Now there's also, just a heads up, a couple different ways you can get to the same spot, but this is one of the easier ways to go ahead and do this. So once we click on that, it's going to show you three different options, and we want to go ahead and click on the sell option. You could either click the word or the right hand arrow. Now from here, it's going to show you all the different assets that you currently have to sell from. If you obviously have a longer list, you can search for it or you can scroll through. But for our example today, we want to go ahead and sell a little bit of Bitcoin. So we're going to click on the icon here. And that's going to take us to a very similar page as if you were buying your Bitcoin as well. But now it's toggled on the sell option over here. Now from here, it is toggled into USD, but you can switch it over to actual Bitcoin if you wanted to. But for our example today, we're going to stick with USD. And on the top right-hand corner, just as a heads up, this is as a regular one-time order. From clicking on here, you can also do a limit order, but we're going to just do our regular one-time order, for example. So from here, it does kind of give you an idea of how much Bitcoin you have as far as the dollar amount. Obviously, this kind of varies as the price fluctuates. Now, for our example here today, let's just go ahead and say we want to sell $10 worth of Bitcoin today. Now, once you put in that dollar amount, the next thing you want to look at is selling. Obviously, we already clicked on Bitcoin, so that's where it's at. And then where we're going to sell it to. So currently it's toggled onto cash for USD. And if you toggle onto this section, you can actually choose it to be USDC or potentially transfer it to other crypto. But for our example today, we're just going to do a regular sale into our cash account. So you can see right over here, it says review order. So this does not sell just yet. So keep that in mind. We're going to click on this. Now from here, this is a quick review of selling your Bitcoin, how much you're selling it for, and the total sale amount of Bitcoin. Obviously this changes in real time. And then here towards the bottom, it is going to show you your spread as far as your fees included. So please keep that in mind. Usually the more you are selling at one time, the lower percentage that fee might be. And from here, we're going to go ahead and click on sell now. And from here, it is going to show you that your order has been submitted. And until you see a full confirmation, that has not gone through just yet. Sometimes in real time, you will see that, just like we did right here, that your trade has now been officially successful and that you had sold your Bitcoin. And now that you have sold your Bitcoin on Coinbase, I actually want to show you how to go ahead and withdraw your money from your Coinbase account. And we got that video right over here to show you just how to do that.